Put it on your phone? Yeah, we're just... No. I'm saying it's underground. It's not going.
Hey, Bubba. Welcome.
Where the shop is. Yeah,
Hi, Deborah.
this is my fifth
Hey,
time.
Dee. Remember where the tank, Dee Dee? Remember? Hey, Gadget. So, this is the spot MMCYC McCullough Gunner. Hey. Rostrum 42. Hello, Kevin Cruz. Oh, hey, Kevin. Hey, London. That's awesome. Hello, Il, Egging, Rob, Velkins, alright. Oh, geez. Everybody, 615. This is the street where the tank was. So if I'm not mistaken, the tank was parked about right there. Hey, Bama, I was just there yesterday at Marshall Space Center. So I believe the tank was right there. Rick came over here, and I'm going to show you guys a couple other things. So Rick ended up on his horse after coming into Atlanta. Rode down on his horse along this street, looked up, saw the helicopter in that building. Hey, everyone say hi to my friends, Kevin and Deborah. They're on the scope right now. They live in Atlanta. I actually met them through Periscope 2 weeks ago, and they offered to take me down here. So Rick rides his horse, chasing the helicopter he sees in that building down this street, and thinks he's going to turn left to get to I am definitely in Atlanta, downtown, and he turns left and hits that street right there that is just packed with walkers, looking for that helicopter he saw in that building. Goes down there and runs into the walkers. He ends up coming back, riding back, and he goes down this street. This is not the exciting part of ATL, I have to admit. This is a little scarier than I would probably imagine. This is definitely the downtown area. But then he goes over to that place that I saw just before and runs into the tank. So anyway, so you got the street where the tank was. This is in Atlanta, downtown Atlanta, just south of Centennial Park. South of the World of Coca-Cola, which we just came from. Yeah, it's really cool. But that building there is where he saw the reflection of the helicopter, and he started chasing it, and then comes around and rides his horse trying to chase a helicopter and runs into the horde of walkers. Right there. And if you look at the building, this building, you'll be able to recognize the architecture. Yeah. So anyway, that's the street that they filmed all the walkers on. Here's the other side of the street, probably where, not sure what was down there, but definitely if you watch episode 1 again. Oh, awesome. Let's see, where are you from? You are Sean. Okay, awesome. That building there, you'll be able to recognize some of the architecture. Yeah. So anyway, so follow me. I don't know where the department store is where Glenn was, but we will see the. Just going to show you the building again. Hold on. Oh yeah, Fear the Walking Dead is a must-see. So it's just so cool to be able to see this view, and there's helicopters flying all over because it's Dragon Con, And Dragon Con, there were helicopters all over the city this morning, and I wish I could have been here. It would have been so cool to be able to see a helicopter and to scope that in, be able to scope that. So, hey, ASL? Who are you? ASL as in American Sign Language? That would be awesome. So, yeah, so anyway, this is the, we're in, oh, Asley. That's cute. Hi, Kathleen. Hey. So, yeah, Asley. That's awesome. This is the street that The Walking Dead came on, and it's really cool to see the street. And thanks to those fine people right over there, I'm able to do this. So they drove me down here and were able and took me around. And so now we're going to go see, there are a bunch of walkers out here, but not the kind you probably, again, it's not the dead people you're worried about, it's the living people, right? Yeah, oh, you missed the zombies. That was at Dragon Con's parade this morning. Wait, there's a zombie right there. I'm going to be, we're going to go to Terminus and the building where Rick comes in on his horse and stuff. We're going to go see that next. So follow me, and we'll be scoping from there probably within 15 minutes or so. All right? And yeah, so anyway, it's a totally empty, I guess, when they filmed it and stuff. But yeah, definitely check out the check out episode 1, and you'll recognize these streets. It's I'm not sure what they did to the storefronts when they were filming and everything, but I'm almost positive you'll see this building right here. Hey, no spoilers! Dee Dee, jeez, no spoilers. Are they even real? Who? Okay, alright everybody, hey, let's see, anything else you want to see? I'm in between the tank and where the Horde of walkers were. Hey Italy! Oh, there's a nice sounding bike for Dee Dee. Yeah, that building is just, and Deborah actually had to remind me that that's the building that the walkers, they saw the helicopter. Hey, Scotland. Orlando. So you're just over the border. So. Alright everybody, follow me. I'll be scoping from next. I think we're going to be scoping from the bridge that Rick rides his horse in on. And stuff. Oh, and also the building where where Merle gets his hand cut off. Oops, sorry. Well, oh no, she's already seen it. Never mind. All the zombies are over at Dragon Con. There were not as many as I thought, but anyway, they're there. Okay. All right. Thanks everybody. Kathleen, this is in Atlanta at Dragon Con. It's over at the Hyatt, I think, or something like that. Anyway. Okay, everybody. Take care.